I still have enough money for another big toy, so let's go.
What's up, guys? We are doing a special vlog today because we reached what? 50 subscribers. What? 50? Totally crazy. So we're gonna do maybe a shopping spree.
Yay!
We just finished getting some stuff for her birthday, which is Saturday, and picked up a few items. But no, we want to say thank you for subscribing. If you're watching this right now, press the like button or the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Because of you, we're doing this. We are glad you're part of the family. And again, we're super excited for what? Say
Shopping spree.
Oh, she wants just to shop. But we are super excited for 50 subscribers. It's awesome. I think we have like 115.
I'm excited for 50 subscribers as well, but I'm also excited for a shopping spree. I got kitty cat sunglasses.
But again, thank you so much for subscribing. If you don't, please do it now. There's a button one of these sides. And we want to show a rare dinosaur.
Where?
Let's all take a moment in silence for the old school Circuit City.
Yeah.
And we're back. So again, thank you again so much for subscribing. We appreciate it, and we're glad you're enjoying the videos, and welcome to the family. I'm gonna do a quick little shopping spree at Toys R Us with the girls, and figure we'll celebrate because we have 50 subscribers, which would be really, really cool. But what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna buy something in here, and when we get to 100 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway. It'll be a secret surprise that we bought with our 50 subscribers celebration, and once we get to 100, we'll pick randomly, and we'll do a giveaway. Sound good?
Sounds good.
So we're gonna find something here to do a giveaway, but we're gonna walk into Toys R Us. So here we go. You were asking the car for those. Whoopee cushion. So what are we gonna buy for the giveaway? Let's make it something that the girls like.
Metallic jewelry tattoo.
Whoa.
Oh, no.
Something that the girls like,
No.
but also a boy could play with.
A boy?
Yeah, because we don't know who we're gonna give it away to. It could be a boy, it could be a girl, it could be a family.
How about that?
No, I'm actually recording. Why? Do you want me to do a timer?
No, it's fine. I just asking.
Water balloons. Let's get water balloons. Everybody.
Wearing your
Blessed.
Christmas outfit, right?
Leggings.
I like the boot.
Thank you.
Let's have a seat.
Hello.
If you see something you like, let us know.
One of these. Let's check them out.
How about this?
That's that
Creeped
thing
out
with
The puppies.
the kittens.
You guys are creeped out with this.
It is a little weird looking.
No, not to me. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, you have your own money. You have like 50 bucks. 50 bucks? 50 subscribers. What? Let's go keep looking though. There's plenty of stuff in here, I'm sure.
Let's look then buy stuff.
Appreciate it.
Look then buy stuff. Okay.
Let's look and buy something.
No, let's look first, then buy stuff. Can you go and like?
Because those things were over here.
Oh.
Oh, look over here.
Okay, we'll keep looking.
This little tiny.
You have the money. You can spend it, honey. Alright, I'm gonna spend that. Whoa, look at the huge Paw Patrol.
You don't get the card.
Hey guys.
Alright.
Hey, Adley. Who is that? Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol.
I don't even watch them.
That's all board games. I don't think the girls will look at board games yet.
And a raspberry tort.
Ooh, they smell good.
See, this
That
used
is
to be the
toffee.
strawberry shortcake I grew up with. Me. And it smells good.
This one?
I grew up with the
No, I
one-
can't smell that.
I grew
No.
up with the
Still good
You
on the
smell?
I grew up with the one that.
She can't smell it either.
I grew up
We're both
with-
stuffed up.
Oh, there's My Little Pony.
Right behind you, love.
I know.
Like done, My Little Pony.
I know.
Ooh, look at that purse. Wow. Yeah.
Hi.
Can I try that?
Hey, are you turning 2 in a couple days? Hey, you turning 2 in a couple days? Oh. All right, let's go back to shopping.
Hi.
Why are you high-fiving them?
She high fives everybody, Daddy.
That's true. Hey,
What?
where are we at?
Toys R Us.
What?
Toys R Us.
Where are we at?
You want to get back in the cart?
So, what does Toys R Us have that no other store has? That's on a TV show that you love.
I don't know.
Do you watch Toy Box? Oh, I used to have one of those as a kid. Those were so awesome.
Huh?
What's that thing called from the toy box that you watch? The one that you wanted to
Blasting.
win? What's it called?
Plastic.
Was it Water Dodger?
Yeah, Water Dodger.
We
They
don't watch
have
Toy
it
Box.
here.
They do. We should look for it.
Yeah, let's do that.
I wonder if it'd be with the outside toys or if it would be with the water toys.
Water toys. It's going to be with the water toys. It's more water.
You
Look
better
how
ask
big
somebody.
toy.
Power Rangers. That's what it is. You're actually making stuff with it. Oh, dude, I thought it was real wood.
It's foam.
It's foam.
That's awesome.
Let's see. Let's see. Whoa, it's foam. Awesome, but there's
Back in the cart?
Drill press.
You want to get back in the cart?
no.
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 Okay, you want to
It's
get back
a
in the cart?
clamp.
Touch it.
It's foam.
All right, let's get back in the cart.
Look at all the cars.
Yeah.
You are turning 2 in.
Yes.
I think Terrible 2s are full in effect. Full in effect.
Here you go. You want a fish? You can have this fish. It never dies.
Right? We should totally buy that for her.
We should get this for Allie and put it in her fish tank.
I'm down.
That's something I may want.
Uh-oh. What is it called?
I
Baby Alive?
don't, no, it's,
Make snacks for me, feed me, I eat, change my diaper. I don't like changing regular diapers.
I don't think it is. Wait, is there?
Yeah, it's Play-Doh.
Yeah. I
You
can
can
wear
make apples and carrots.
Yeah, I can wear gloves.
It doesn't open, baby. We tried it.
Right.
Oh.
We'll see something else. So, I guess it's called Hydro Shock by Water Dodger. But we just found out that, well, she just found out that it had what?
Toy box stuff upset.
All the Toy Box stuff. If you haven't watched Toy Box, it's awesome. Let's go see what it is.
What is the grand finale?
I completely missed it all. Does it say Toy Box? Alright, let's go up here and see. I know it's a bunch of Mattel toys.
Mattel?
Yeah. Or the Toy Box stuff.
Bounce off!
Yeah, I guess.
Where's the toy box?
I don't know. I don't see any of the Toy Box stuff. I don't see any Toy Box stuff. That's what I'm looking for. Let's see, Toy Box, Toy Box. Let's go see. We literally walked past it twice, 3 times.
Yeah.
There we go. Here it is. So it's the water dodger, the wob ball, the sweet shaper. That one was okay.
What is that one? Noisy person?
I don't remember that one. Do you? Art splash.
Huh.
I don't remember a whole lot of these. I remember the sweet shaper. You put candy in there and it makes shapes.
Can I have that?
You can't eat the candy. It's not organic, baby.
I know. I'm giving it away.
You're gonna make the candy and give it away? You're so generous. And then this.
Does this take up all my money?
No.
Not a water dodger won't?
No, it'll take half.
So,
What you have right here will take about half of your money.
so how much money will I have left?
Like 20 bucks.
Okay, so
Plus you have the $5 gift card at Target, so 25 bucks.
okay, so I'll get this water dodger and wait. Will it leave the rest of my money not something big or something big?
You can buy something big for 25 bucks.
As well as this?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go look for something else, and I'm getting these 2 things.
All right, are you going to look here, or do you want to take your $5 gift card and $20 to go to Target? So you just let's
find
go
something.
look.
I still have enough money for another big toy, so let's go. This time we'll of course have a horn.
Because you love unicorns. So we found something else for the money. Let's look around. I think
And
we know
minions.
minions.
Banana.
Banana?
Banana.
Banana? Banana? Oh, she's got a runny nose, mommy.
Okay, can you hold her while I get a wipey? All right, hold my
Because
purse.
she does not want to. It matches my shoes.
Daddy.
What, baby?
Dad.
Yes, ma'am.
Do I still have enough money to get something else as this?
No, you're pushing your budget limit.
Let's check out and see how much you have, and then we'll find out how much you have left.
And then I said you still have the $5 at Target.
Oh.
So what do we have in the cart for you?
What?
So we have water dodger from Toy Box, Milo Pony from the Milo Ponies.
Guess who?
We got Guess Who from the Milo Pony Show, and we got Beanie Boo.
Beanie Boo.
Beanie Boo keychain from my bag.
Say, Dad, what are you doing? Say, Dad. No? She's like, it's on my nose. It's on my nose. And I think we know what we're gonna get for the giveaway.
What?
You can't tell, it's a surprise. Surprise giveaway,
Look, baby.
right?
There's nothing to try, baby. You just look.
Right. But it'll be cool. And it's something that you like, so let's go get the, yeah. I'll tell you what the giveaway stuff is as soon as the video ends. So you know and no one else knows, right? You know.
Mommy.
It'll be a good giveaway, right?
Mommy.
Let's go. And you're tired.
Wow, look at all those.
All right, we're gonna go check out. Let's check out.
Let's
All right, let's check out and see what you got, all right?
go.
Whoa, that is heavy, huh? All right.
Beanie Boo's first.
Okay, baby. I can scan the right YouTube Just these 3 things?
Yes.
Yeah, no words for
Yes.
phone number.
Board.
We are done. Yeah, well, I don't think it's a hoverboard. That's one of those, like, switch things. All right, but that was cool.
Mom, do you have some more change so I can ready to go with things? Yeah.
Hey, is that a proper way to ask mommy anything?
No, I had 1 quarter, but I owe you a quarter. You should have 2 quarters, right? Come on.
But
Look,
hey,
all done.
was there a nicer way to say that to mommy?
All right, come on. We're all
Yeah,
done.
let's try to say that, okay?
You've already. I don't have any more change. I let you
Can your
pick.
sister write? How much is it? 50 cents?
50 cents.
Dad, can we hold on?
Get 2 quarters.
Here's one.
Super awesome. Had a great time. You?
Yeah. Lovely. Did you have a good time?
She had a mouthful. I need some energy from back there. I need some excitement.
Are you happy with your toys?
Yeah.
Here's
What
another.
about you?
Put them in your bag.
I'm talking to you. You're eating. Yay!
I need one of those change things that you.
I have one in my car.
I don't. I have this.
Yeah, you just throw it up there, that's fine. So super fun. Had a great time in there. What about you? Well, Allie was a little whiny. I think she's a little hangry.
I don't know.
It's
Some
always
kids always like that.
Terrible twos. Yeah, the skeleton head's in there, yeah. So, had a great time. Got some gifts for her birthday. Bro, what bro? Oh, the skeleton broke. She got some gifts with the money she's been saving for like 6 months. You bought yourself some gifts. You had a little retail therapy. But had a fun time. Sorry, Circuit City over here keeps distracting me. I miss it.
There, now I have change in here for little rides.
And the girls went on a ride, and we got...
I got my own money for my own ride, and I went on the Grover and his friend wanted.
I think that was Bert and Ernie.
Bert and Ernie, yeah.
You need to update your Sesame Street. But we got some giveaway stuff you guys are gonna love. So 50 subscribers, again, super happy, super excited. Woo! And we have a giveaway coming up at 100. So if you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button and tell all your friends, because at 50, we're giving something away. Or at 100. Haha, sorry. At 100, I'm just giving away everything. But at 100, we're giving something away. That's gonna be super awesome, super fun, and it'll be a toy because we got it from Toys R Us. The girls love it. I like it. Mommy, you like it?
They're awesome.
So
it's awesome.
make sure you subscribe. Woo! It's squishy.